Let me check that whether you are able to understand this one uh, by just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Okay, just
Redox reactions are the very important reactions. We have different types of reactions. Okay, but like combination reactions, we have studied displacement, double displacement. Okay, the one type of reaction in the first chapter that we're going to study
so
redox reactions. The word
so uh, this I have a video for this one that you can go through the detail, but still I'm just going to teach you this one. If you are getting still you are getting stuck in that one, okay, just please go through that video. Okay, this video will going to help you to understand the topic very importantly. Okay, and if you are getting still means I'm going to teach you here also, we're going to practice here, but I'm going to send you the video lecture of this one also, that will going to help you to understand whether if you are getting stuck in that one, then you will. Okay, got it.
Okay.
So word reduction, let me explain you the redox reactions. Okay, okay, so if I'm talking about the redox reaction, so simple, we have a reaction that we called it, that will come from the word redox. The word red come from the word red come from the word reduction, and ox come from the word oxidation. In a reaction, when there is simultaneously, if I'm saying that both the things are happening, okay, that oxidation and reduction both are taking place, then we consider it as redox reactions. Okay, understood?
Okay.
Understood. So what is reduction? First of all, let me explain you. Addition of hydrogen. If you are adding hydrogen, addition of hydrogen, or removal of oxygen, or simply if I'm saying that, or reduction in oxidation state, reduction in oxidation oxidation state, we call it redox reaction. Okay, ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शंस होती है हमारे पास कि व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन, द रिएक्शन in which in which addition, it is opposite, addition of oxygen, instead of hydrogen we add oxygen. Okay, removal of hydrogen,
Yeah, but
or
then like
increase.
some reaction is not always oxygen and like hydrogen, right? Something
Yeah,
else.
yeah, so that will go through it with the increase in oxidation number, increase in oxidation number. Got it? So that reactions are called, first write it down fast.
So there's something in the middle of the screen.
Turn on your camera, everyone. Aisha, turn on your camera.
So what do you mean oxidation state?
Increase in oxidation state.
No, like what does oxidation state
I'm
itself
going,
mean?
yeah, I'm going to explain you. Just a minute. Have you noted that one?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Okay. So what is increase in oxidation state? So if I'm saying that simply, what is increase in oxidation state? Like for example, if an element, if any element is written in equations, like it is written like Cl2, okay, N2 alone in its molecular form or a purest form like Na, Mg alone, not in the compound form, in the atomic form. This is the atomic form, or it in the molecular form like O2, like S sulfur, like carbon alone, like O2. Okay, if these are written, then they have their zero oxidation state. But when an element is written like this, NaCl, so it has +1 oxidation state, it has -1 oxidation state. HCl, +1, -1. Okay, if I'm writing Na2SO4, Na2SO4, so it has sodium has +1 oxidation state. Got it? So this is the oxidation state. Got it? Now understood?
Yeah.
Oxygen generally have Mn like MnO2. We don't know the oxidation state of this one. We know that oxygen has -2 oxidation state. Okay, the two oxygen atom
Yeah.
will have -4. It is MnO2. Two oxygen atom combined. So -2, -2. So it will be -4. So -4, what should be added? Because MnO2 as a whole, it does not have any charge. So how much charge does Mn should have to make it neutral? It should have +4.
Yeah.
Got it? So same things happen here. Like if I'm writing MnO2 reaction with HCl, then it will gives you Mn MnCl2 plus H2O plus hydrogen gas. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you tell me H2O plus hydrogen gas? Okay. Can you tell me that which of the following element is oxidized or reduced here?
MnO2 is being reduced, right?
Yeah. Any element which is going to have oxygen. Just keep in mind that any element which is going to have oxygen, it is considered to be as oxidizing agent. तो अगर कोई oxidizing agent है, तो then it will be reduced. Okay. So it is having oxygen. So it is an oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Okay. And
Okay.
other, if it is having hydrogen, it is an reducing agent. So reducing agent always oxidize. Reducing agent itself oxidize. Okay, and oxidizing agent itself get reduced. You understood?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is plus. So what is oxidation state of Mn? I can check that MnO2, Mn has +4 oxidation state. But when it is MnCl2, the two chlorine atoms are, which is -1, -1, so it is -1, -1, -2, should have nice +2. Got it? So
Okay.
Mn is going to have +4 and it is having +2. +2. So +4 से +2 हो जाना, it is decrease, it is reduction. Okay, यहाँ पर chlorine होगा Cl2, not hydrogen gas, it is Cl2, chlorine gas. Okay, now it is Cl -1. Hmm? And
Yeah.
now it's going to Cl2. It is 0. So -1 से 0 हो जाना is increase. -1 to 0 is increase. 1 to 0 plus 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is increase means oxidation. Got it?
Yeah.
Similarly, if I'm having Pb, Pb, PbO plus carbon will give you Pb plus CO2. Okay, so it is carrying oxygen, so it is an oxidizing agent. So similarly, if it is not having oxygen, it is reducing agent. So if it is reducing agent, then it is oxidized. If it is having oxygen, it is oxidizing agent, then it is reduced. Got it?
Okay.
So tell me what Pb is oxidized or reduced. Pb, बात turn on your camera.
PB is a reduced state of PB हो रहा है.
Pb is reduced or oxidized?
Reduced.
Hmm? Reduced. Pb is reduced. Hmm? Yes or no?
Yeah.
PbO is reduced. Pb यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे. It is not Pb. PbO. It is lead oxide. So if it is saying that Pb, so check it here. Now Pb, you have to check it like this way, the another way. Okay, so Pb is oxidized, addition of oxygen, and PbO is reduced. Got it?
Oh,
CO2 is
okay.
reduced, and carbon is oxidized. समझ आया?
Yeah.
And we, but हमें, if we are asking that which is reduced, which is oxidized, so हम लोग left, we can check it from on the reactant side and always on the product side. But if I'm asking you the oxidizing and reducing, then we always take it in the reactant side. So if we cannot search the oxidizing and reducing agent here, okay? Agents are always present on the reactant side, not on the product side. Got it?
Yeah.
Let's move further. Note it down. This is an important question.
Okay, done.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So let you tell me which of the following from the NCERT example questions. In more details, and we have practice in that video, so please go through that one also. Okay. I'm going to send
Okay.
it to you. So this is going to start doing question number. Everyone, please write down question number 23 and tell me. First, you note it down and then tell me which of the following is oxidizing and reducing agent.
A is for NH3, the reducing agent.
You're saying
For A, it's ammonia.
A is ammonia,
Yeah.
reducing agent. Yes. B,
B, F2.
yes.
And then C is carbon,
C is carbon.
Cu.
And D,
D is hydrogen.
hmm. So let's check this one. This is an important question. So you might get stuck here. So let's discuss these questions, okay? So if I'm saying this one that uh, this is NH3 and this is O2, okay? So if I'm saying the NH3,
So it's not visible. I think you're writing it.
so this is NH3, okay? Now I'm saying NH3. So now you can easily say that reducing agent is one which is carrying the hydrogen. So this is carrying hydrogen, so this is the reducing agent. Right,
Yeah.
okay. Now in this one, this is also carrying the hydrogen and this is fluorine. So let's check which of the following is. So F here is having the zero oxidation state, F2, and here it is having -1 oxidation state in HF. Okay, so
Yeah.
fluorine, you see that it is reduced. Okay, fluorine is reduced. So it will be
Okay.
considered as, okay, now in HOF, O is having -2. So here hydrogen is having -1, O is having -2, and F is also having -1. Sorry, plus. Hydrogen is having +1, F is having +1. O generally have
So
-2.
0.
Okay, this is 0. So now it is having +1 oxidation state. Okay, in the this one. So there is some kinds of reactions in which the same substance is oxidized and reduced. But why I'm not considering water as an as oxidizing and reducing? We never considered water. Why? Because water H has was +1 ion, and here it is having -2. Here it is oxygen is -2, and H is always +1 generally. Okay, so we'll consider
Okay.
+1 oxidation state. So from 0 to +1 is reduction. So fluorine is oxidized as well as reduced, both. And such type of reaction in which a single element is oxidized as well as reduced is called disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reactions. Okay. Now F2. Got it?
Yeah. So whenever water is there, we don't have to take that as an oxidizing agent.
Yeah. We don't take water. Water is not
Okay.
considered. So fluorine will be considered as oxidizing and reducing agent both. So this is the reducing agent. Okay. Now next one
Okay.
is Fe2O3. Now they both are carrying oxygen. But if you have to consider here one thing that, okay, when both are having oxygen, then you can consider which one is oxidizing agent, which one is reducing agent. I told you na, which one carrying oxygen is oxidizing agent. So both are having oxygen.
Yeah.
So how can we find
Because,
which one is reducing agent? So the one which is getting oxidized is reducing agent. So let's simply find out which one is getting oxidized. Okay, got it?
yeah.
So this one is +2. Plus plus 2. No, what is oxidation state of iron here? Can you guess what is oxidation state of iron here?
Ferric oxide, right?
Yes. What is oxidation state of iron in this ferric oxide? The charge of iron कितना होगा? बहुत ही सिंपल है. Ferric oxide बना
1.
कैसे? It should be 3 and oxygen should be 2. Cross multiply, you will get Fe2O3.
But oxide has -2, right?
Yeah, this one is -2. तभी तो बना होगा ये. तो iron should have +3 oxidation state. Otherwise FeO होता तो it be 2 -2.
Yeah.
Sorry, ये कैंसिल हो गया होगा. समझ आया? So iron should have +3 oxidation state, and here it is having 0. What is the oxidation state of carbon here?
2.
plus 2. And here, since CO2 plus 4.
0.
क्यों? CO2 है ना,
Because 2, one oxide is -2, right? So 2
-2
oxides
अगर
are
इसमें
there.
-2, टोटल आ रहा है -4 चार्ज, ऑक्सीजन की वजह से -4 चार्ज आया, तो कार्बन पर +4 होना चाहिए ना, तभी तो न्यूट्रल होगा पूरा.
Yeah,
When carbon has +4 oxidation state, it forms CO2, and when carbon has +2 oxidation state, then it forms CO. ऑक्सीजन पर -2 चार्ज होता है, तो इस अकेले कार्बन पर कितना होना चाहिए, +2, तभी तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड पर कोई चार्ज नहीं है.
yeah,
तो +2 से कोई चीज +2 4 हो गई, तो मतलब ऑक्सीडेशन.
yeah,
और जो जिस चीज, द थिंग, द सब्सटेंस दैट इज गेटिंग ऑक्सीडाइज हियर, इट कंसिडर टू बी एज, क्या मानते हैं उसको, रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट. तो कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इज अ रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट हियर. या फिर सिंपल से समझ लो कि इसके अंदर रेडिएशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो गया, दो, एक ऑक्सीजन है तो दो ऑक्सीजन हो गए.
yeah,
Addition, what is the addition of oxygen called? Oxidation.
yeah.
And the substance that is getting oxidized is considered to be as reducing agent. उसको reducing agent कहते हैं. Opposite होता है ना ये agent में.
हाँ.
तो बस that's all. Have you understood, Ibad? Another? Aisha?
Yes.
Do this one. Write down all in your notebook fast.
Done.
Okay. So moving to the next part is, yes, Aisha and Ibad, you done?
Yes.
Yes.
What is the oxidizing agent in this one? Oxidant means oxidizing agent. कई बार oxidant पूछेगा आपसे, and it will start asking you this one. So please don't get stuck.
First
चलिए
one is
बताइए फटाफट से.
PB3O4.
हम्म.
First one is PB3O4.
Pb3O4. Okay, next.
O2.
O2 next.
CuSO4.
Next.
I don't know this one.
V2O5.
Vanadium
V2O5.
oxide.
What does V even mean?
Vanadium.
Then H2O. Then C.
वाटर को हम नहीं करते ना, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एंड रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट में नहीं रखते वाटर को। रखते तो है लेकिन फिर भी एक बार ट्राई कर लो, इसमें कई बार कंफ्यूजन, बिकॉज इट इज कैरिंग बोथ हाइड्रोजन एज वेल एज ऑक्सीजन, समटाइम इट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, ओके, इट क्रिएट कंफ्यूजन्स. So let's check that whether water is an oxidizing agent or not. Means water should be reduced here. हाँ? तो देखोगे वाटर में से ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो गया, तो रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन क्या आता है? रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज रिडक्शन.
Radiation.
तो जिसका रिडक्शन होता है वही ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है, तो सही है. और एडिशन यहाँ पे आयरन से भी चेक कर सकते हो, वाटर से नहीं चेक करे तो यू कैन गेट चेक इट फ्रॉम विद द आयरन. सो आयरन, इफ आयरन इज गेटिंग ऑक्सीडाइज, समझ आया, तो उससे भी कर सकते हो. आयरन आयरन इज गेटिंग ऑक्सीडाइज, इट मीन इट इज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. सो दूसरा वाला हमें पता क्या करना है इसमें, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट
Which one? F.
oxidizing agent. So that's okay. Here you can simply addition of oxygen is oxidation. Generally जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आएंगे that will be from on the basis of oxide removal of oxygen and addition of oxygen, और हाइड्रोजन के बेसिस पर आएंगे आपके सिलेबस में. So you can do that one easily. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Hmm.
Chemical exothermic and endothermic reactions, you are getting stuck. So exothermic reactions are those reactions in which the energy is being released. Exothermic, heat, heat is being released. Exothermic, इसमें heat release हो. Very popular is calcium hydroxide, formation of calcium hydroxide by reacting calcium carbonate, calcium oxide plus water. Calcium hydroxide. ठीक है, this is very popular. Second one is very popular reaction is respiration. Respiration is glucose का breakdown. C6H12O6 plus oxygen से react कराएंगे तो it will give you carbon dioxide plus water plus carbon dioxide plus water plus large amount of energy ATP plus light heat. So okay. So there are some very popular reactions. बस इतना याद रखना है कि अगर कोई एक रिएक्शन ए से बी जाने में एक्सोथर्मिक है, तो वही रिएक्शन अगर बी टू ए जाएगी देन इट विल बी एंडोथर्मिक. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई एम सेइंग कि H2 + O2 मिलके बनाता है वाटर और लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है व्हेन वी कंबस्ट, जब इसको जलाते हैं हाइड्रोजन को. बट इफ सेम H2O को अगर आपको हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन में कन्वर्ट करना है देन यू हैव टू पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू इट. नाउ एरो पर लिखी हुई कोई भी एनर्जी, if any thing is written on the arrow then it will be considered as that energy is being supplied and that reaction is considered to be as endothermic reaction. समझ आया?
Okay.
Like for example अगर सन एनर्जी दैट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सनलाइट, सनलाइट हो सकती है, इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइट हीट, इट कैन बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइट, सनलाइट और लाइट एक ही चीज हो गई, या यूवी हो सकता है. ओके, और इट कैन बी इन द form form of electricity, any energy. Okay, so that type of reaction is considered to be as endothermic reaction. समझ आया?
Okay. So how would you know if it's exothermic? Like even so, if there's nothing written over here, so then it will be exothermic.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, कई बार वो भूल भी जाते हैं लिखना, ये तो आपको पता होना चाहिए. जितनी भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट, ऑल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अगर ऐसे लिखा है ZnCl2, Zn ZnSO4, sorry, CuSO4 plus carbon. If it is being written like that, CuSO4 plus Zn, so it will give you ZnSO4 plus Cu. और ये बताओ, ये रिएक्शन अपने आप यहाँ पर क्यों फॉरवर्ड गई है?
Display reaction.
लेकिन क्यों गई डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन, क्यों हुई, बाय? तुम देखोगे ये पेन है, इसको पेन को मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ तो ये नीचे अपने आप आ रहा है, बट नीचे से ऊपर क्यों नहीं जा रहा? माय फ्रेंड, व्हाई इट इज नॉट गोइंग अपवर्ड?
Gravity.
ग्रेविटी तो हाँ, फिर दूसरा उसकी यहाँ पर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ज्यादा है, जब ये यहाँ पर जाएगा नीचे जाएगा तो उसकी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कम हो जाएगी. सो कोई भी चीज, एनीथिंग इन द यूनिवर्स, इट ऑलवेज गोज फ्रॉम हायर एनर्जी लेवल टू लोअर एनर्जी लेवल. सो इफ दिस रिएक्शन इज गोइंग फ्रॉम here to here, so it means it is reducing its energy, releasing its energy. अपने आप अगर जा रही है तो
Okay.
ओके, विदाउट एनी एनर्जी के अगर ये जा रही है तो इट मीन्स दैट इट्स इट्स हायर एनर्जी लेवल। अब जब ये इस तरह से फॉर्म कर लेगी, when it changes like this way, then it considered to be as endothermic reaction, sorry, then it means its energy is lower। तो मान लेते हैं यहाँ पर 1000 जूल एनर्जी है रिएक्टेंट की सपोज, और यहाँ पर आने के बाद वो 700 जूल बच रही है, तो 300 जूल कहाँ पर जाएगी जो डिफरेंस है वो एनवायरनमेंट में जाएगी हीट की फॉर्म में। समझ आया?
Okay.
सो वाटर का इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस करना भी ऐसे ही है, अगर अपने हाइड्रोजन को ऑक्सीजन को जलाया तो उसने लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी दी, वाटर बना। यहाँ पे मान लेते हैं कि 1 लाख जूल एनर्जी थी यहाँ पर, और अब कितनी बच रही है, दैट इज, लेट सपोज करो वाटर जो बना, वाटर के पार्टिकल्स के पास जो एनर्जी है दैट इज 500 जूल्स, 50,000 जूल। सो बाकी की 50,000 जूल कहाँ गई, एनवायरमेंट में। अब वापस से अगर मुझे स्प्लिट करके फिर से हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन में स्प्लिट करना है, तो अगेन आई हैव टू सप्लाई इट 50,000 जूल एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। समझ आया? ऑल डिस्प्लेसमेंट एंड डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शंस आर एक्सोथर्मिक इन नेचर।
Okay.
प्लस एसिड का डाइल्यूशन इज एन एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। गॉट इट?
So combination and decomposition are all endothermic.
नो, डिपेंड करता है। कॉम्बिनेशन में अगर सपोज करो C+O2 की फॉर्म में है तो दिस इज एक्सोथर्मिक हो गया, कार्बन को जला एक्सोथर्मिक।
Yeah.
लेकिन इसी तरह से मैं N2+O2 को करता हूँ तो इट विल गिव्स यू 2NO, दिस इज एक्सो, बट इट इज एंडो। व्हाई? बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन हैव ट्रिपल बॉन्ड and it require large amount of energy to break the bonds. So what happens in a chemical reaction? The older bonds are broken and the new bonds are formed. When we break the bond, we supply energy. When the new bonds are formed, they release the energy. तो अगर हमने एनर्जी कम दी बॉन्ड तोड़ने में और रिलीज ज्यादा हुई है, तो दैट कंडीशन मीन्स कि आपने कम इन्वेस्टमेंट किया और आपको प्रॉफिट ज्यादा हुआ है, मतलब पैसा ज्यादा मिला है। तो दैट इज कॉल्ड, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड, व्हाट यू कॉल्ड इट, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सोथर्मिक। समझ आया? If you, but a nitrogen require large amount of energy to break because it is already stable with triple bond, and oxygen is also double bond, doubly bonded, and then you are forming it NO। तो इतनी एनर्जी यहाँ पर रिलीज नहीं हुई जितनी आपने दी, देने की एनर्जी ज्यादा है एज कंपैरिजन टू द एनर्जी रिलीज्ड ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शंस। गॉट इट? That's why it
Yeah.
is nitrogen readily do not react, that's why we fill it in the chips or chips type packets। Okay, इस तरह के पैकेट्स में हम लोग इसको भरते हैं। अंडरस्टूड?
Yeah.
आयशा, यू अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Try to write down the third question number 23. Try to write down the balanced chemical equations.
So it's not there. So which one?
Question number 33. Question number 33. Okay.
Okay. Sir, can you balance like the first one?
So are you getting stuck there?
Yeah, in balancing. Like only the first one.
Other are balanced.
Yeah.
It is saying lead acetate. What is the formula for lead acetate?
Pb CH3C double O whole twice.
Hmm. We can write it CS3COO whole twice, then Pb.
Sorry, writing is not visible.
Lead. Oh, not visible to you. उसके बाद it is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid, this is HCl. Then it will give you lead chloride PbCl2 plus acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. So I'm saying here that you are going to balance that one, that is very simple for you. Okay. So it is CH3COH. So it is 2. You have to, you know that this is the 2 ions here. So you multiply this one by 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Now there's a 2 chlorine that multiplied by 2 chlorines. Now one lead, 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 2 acetate ion, 2 acetate ion, 2 chlorine atom, 2 chlorine atom. It is balanced.
Okay. I was seeing the H beside the C over there. That's why I got confused with like the hydrogen and everything.
Okay, now you understood?
Yeah.
And then are balanced.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's other do. So you done all the others? Others you done?
Yeah. Second one is 2Na plus 2C2H2OH equals NaC2H2O plus hydrogen gas. And
Hmm.
displacement reactions taking place. And then for C, ferric oxide plus 3 CO equals 2Fe plus 3 CO2.
Hmm.
Then for D, 2H2S plus O2 equals 2S plus 2H2O.
Solid is S plus 2H2. Okay. So is any one of you are getting stuck in this one? Writing this one?
No.
Hmm?
No.
You are no? You noted all? Sure?
Yes, sir.
Try to do the question number 35. Do question number 35. Done, everyone?
No, just
Okay, do it.
okay, done.
Okay, wait later, Radu. Done. Okay. Yes, others done. You also done? Done, everyone? So let's you check, please. You check your answer. Just a minute. Question number 35. Was it question number 35?
Yes.
Yes. That first one is already balanced.
Yeah.
Check the others.
So done.
Done.
Okay. So that's all for today. And if you are having any issue, I'm just sharing the video to the team. Okay, the link of the video, and please watch that video. And if you are getting stuck still and in any topic, and you want the video lecture of that one, so we will provide you before your test. Tomorrow is your test. Okay, so please, if you are having any issue, so please inform the team that I'm getting stuck in this topic. So we'll try to help you. Okay, so that's all for today, and we'll meet you in the next class. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Dear students, wait so that other student may also join. Okay, wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.